Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and this is another episode of Collect Your Junk. And let's see, last time last time I did put this like little folder in with a little pocket envelope, and I used this paper scraps for washi, and this was a little product piece, and this is an envelope here, so it is moving along. Right now I had some papers left over from a planner, and I think I would love for those to go in here somehow. Let's get this cut down, and I'm hoping that I can get that cut down enough that I could use this somewhere else in my journal. It's going to be close, so I kind of want that brown in the background to show. So let's see, if I cut it off about here, that should do it. And I'm usually more technical with my measurements than that, but not today. Not today. Let's make sure they stay together.